Patrick's M3 Matte Finish Stronghold Styling product. Is this freaking $60 hair product worth your money? What's up everybody, welcome back to the Urban Oak channel. Today we are looking at Patrick's, a brand from Australia created by Patrick himself with a 5,000 loan from his mother, and the rest is history. This brand definitely belongs to the premium category, and for the M3 product, it is designed for individuals with active lifestyle. Does it really work? Let's get down to it. The Patrick's packaging is one of its kind. Initially, I have a very hard time trying to figure out how to open this product. From the outside, it is mainly made out of a plastic, very sturdy and secure. And to open, actually you have to flip the metallic component outward. Definitely live up to its premium branding with such intriguing packaging. This product is weighed at 75 grams or 2.6 ounces, and definitely it is flight friendly. In terms of the scent, it has a woodsy, a little bit sweet, and a little bit spicy as well. The ingredients used when I checked, it was labdanum, come from a cistus plant, and patchouli. So with that ingredient, it definitely belong to that cologne category kind of scent. It does really stand out from the rest of the product that are usually citrusy. Personally, I think it's a little bit overpowering, but I don't really mind about it. So overall, I would give this a 3.5 out of 5 rating. Patrick's has their own trademark ingredient known as the Patrick's Recovery Compound or PRC. Basically what it does is it helps you to nourish your hair and scalp and to minimize hair losses and reinforce existing hair mass. Going deeper on the positive side, it is paraben-free, sulfate-free, alcohol and silicone-free. It is also fungal aging safe, which is a very rare occasion. It also has some moisturizing property from the use of propylene glycol, and it also has a UV protector and good for sensitive scalp due to its use of titanium dioxide. On the flip side, it is not EU allergen-free. Also, with the use of PPG2 and petrolatum, it causes your pores to be blocked. So be careful and not to have this product cover your scalp. Also, it has a list of ingredients that could act as an allergen, so be careful and make sure you are not allergic to them. Scooping out requires a little bit of effort to dig it out, but still fairly easy to do so. Definitely not a super creamy product. In fact, it is a mix of oily and some bitsy of wax texture. When breaking it down, you can feel that it's also very waxy and oily as well. My styling experience was very smooth due to its oily nature. This is best styled with a blow-dried hair for better volume. I did not experience any tugging, nor any of my strands came off during my styling. Compared to other products, actually I did not use so much of this product to achieve my style. Overall, the styling experience was pretty great, and I'll give it a 4.5 out of 5 rating. This product does give a good volume in style with a blower. Also, I love how it adds some pretty good texture to my hair. For this, I'll give a 4.5 out of 5 rating for its volume and texture. In terms of shine, this product is not a totally matte product. In fact, it has a low shine finishing and hence it's around 2 out of 5 rating. This product has a good stronghold. For its endurance, this is my initial style. Pretty sleek and well defined. After 8 hours, it barely loses any much of its hold. In fact, I think it provides an even better texture towards the second half of the day. I probably did a little swipe on my hair for restyling, but other than that, wasn't a big issue. Overall, the hold and endurance has a rating out of 4.5 out of 5. As expected, this product is not easy to wash. In fact, on the label here, it says water resistant. Personally, I've used 2 rounds of shampoo and 1 round of conditioner to really get the product out. However, if you prefer to have a more effective washing, you can check out their Deep Cleanse shampoo. Probably it's much easier to wash. In terms of hair types, this product will work totally fine on thin, normal and thick hair. For fine hair, probably you might experience some weight. It works on thick hair and you in fact can style it even better. Also, it works on straight, wavy and curly hair, but it does not work on a coily hair. For hairstyle, I would encourage you to go for something that is more well defined. So you can go for the pompadour look, a neat side parting, or the quiff style. The Patrick's M3 is priced at USD 60 for a 75 gram product, which is an average of 80 cents per gram or 23 per ounce. If you are interested, definitely you can click on the link description below. So this is my final verdict. The Patrick's M3, what I love about it is the texture and volume, and of course of its strong hold. In fact, I went to the gym once with this product. I actually did not experience any melting and it still holds my hair pretty firmly. And of course, with every great product, there's some flip side to it which is quite hard to wash. So I didn't really mind that because I use this product more onto my active lifestyle, which is when I do sports. And I have no worries, especially if I have to head out for meetings after that. So let us know if you have tried this product, and do comment in the section below and share your experiences. For now, if you have any interesting products that you want us to review, do share with me and I'm more than happy to give it a try. Till then, stay safe my friend, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out!